Hi guys, thanks for watching my EZDeals review by Jenkins. I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a pre-recorded demo like a lot of other marketers do. This honest review is based on my opinion of actually researching this site and logging into the platform myself. I'm going to take you with me as we do this research, then we'll look at the strategy and the problems that I see with it. If you guys are looking for a way to sell your products online without having to contact businesses or people, be sure to check out our instant access link in the description below. There you will learn other ways to get your product in front of the right buyers. While you guys are down there, go ahead and click that like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when the next video comes out, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Okay, now let's see what EZDeals promises us. You are going to use their brand new software to create Groupon killer deals pages for local businesses in under 60 seconds without ClickFunnels, landing page tools, or design skills or coding. You are ready to become a deals page superhero for local business owners, and you will earn passive monthly income. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this sales page, but the reason I'm here is because they do tell us that anyone can use EZDeals to profit, including affiliates. So let's take a look. Here on the dashboard, you come in, you've got your tutorials. They do have about 8 videos that do a great job of explaining what this product does. If we look at the dashboard, you would come in and create a new deal. You would enter your deal name. Then you would need to pick a template. And if we look at these templates, you can tell these are all local businesses. So you would need to contact your local businesses and find out if they want to offer a discount or a deal with you. And then you would make these pages for the businesses to offer deals. They do not offer any digital products or any kind of affiliate marketing products. And if we take a minute to build one, we'll choose restaurant. Your template controls are on the left. If you look at the header, you can either leave it there or take it away. Everything you click, you have the option to edit. You could replace that image if you wanted to. You would need some copy from your local business. You also need their logo. Any pictures that they want you to put in here, you can upload these yourselves. You do have an option for uploading. Again, you would want to make sure all of this is exactly correct. And this button, the Get Deal Now button, once you click that button, your button control pops up. And this is where your URL link would go in. Or if you were trying to do this for affiliate marketing, this is where your affiliate link could go, because once they click it, it would take them there. Once you've made some adjustments in here, you would click the Save button. Don't go anywhere yet. You'll see the Update button. Click the Update button, and that does publish your landing page. So here is your publish link. If we take a look at this, this is branded by EZDeals.com. This is the link everybody will see, and you will be associated with app EZDeals. You cannot add your own link until one of the upgrades, so that is something to be mindful of. They give you the option to copy it, and you would click done. If you notice the thank you page, you will have to create that after you've made this. So now that we've made, updated, and saved it, let's check out the dashboard. Here is the one we just made, XYZ. Here is how we create our thank you page. So we have to make it and then come back in to create the thank you page. Here you have 6 templates that you can choose from. Again, your controls are on the left. You would come in, click anything you want to adjust, maybe put your own logo in here, click insert. You have another button here. So that would be your button control. You could put another affiliate link in here if you would like to divert them somewhere else. Again, you need copy, so you want to make sure you've got this correct. You can change the background image if you'd like. Again, save. And save again. Make sure you click update, because that's how it gets published and you get your link. When all of that's completed, you would click done, and we can go back to the dashboard and take a look at what we just made. If we preview the landing page, this is basically what it would look like. Clearly, you would have a different logo and different pictures. Obviously, the text that your business wants put out. Next, we'll look at our landing page. Just a basic landing page. And again, you could put a link of some sort in here. You do have the option to see some statistics. It gives you the 3. You can check your views, average time, and your unique visitors. Considering I just made this page, I know I have not had 178 views on it. We can also clone this deal. Here is where you could socially share. But if you notice, I can't access them. If I click on this, it doesn't do anything. And if I try to click on, so as an affiliate marketer, you have nowhere to send this page right now. You can't send it to your Facebook, your Twitter, your Pinterest, or your LinkedIn. So that means you have no traffic coming to your page, and you have nowhere to send this, and you have no way to make any money off of this. You just have to hope people find this somewhere on the internet and buy your deal. All right, guys. Now that we know that EZDeals is a premium deals page creator, which has a number of different layouts of deal pages for various local business niches, it can be used by new or existing businesses to boost the online sales of their products or service. It's easy to use and creates high converting, scarcity driven deals pages in just a few clicks. But this is an agency model. And what do I mean by that? Well, typically an agency's business model is one that is based on a client paying an agency a fee for its services. Because EZDeals has told us they're going to be a Groupon killer, let's take a look at Groupon's business model. Here on their main page, you can see that these are local businesses who want to offer a discount or a deal of some type to entice new customers or old customers to come into their building. Here we can see that some of the key components of Groupon's current business model is customer segments. Groupon targets two main customer segments, namely the customer wanting to purchase and the business who is providing the coupon. You are going to need to go find local businesses to sell this to, convince them to buy the service from you, follow through the service once the contract is agreed upon, and deal with each customer directly for finishing and collecting payment. I can personally tell you that we got into affiliate marketing because we did not want to have to deal with the products or soliciting businesses and finding customers for them. EZDeals does not go through any of the pricing structure of how you should price this or make your money for these businesses, or for doing this for these businesses. They give you the basics, but they don't tell you how to run an agency business with this. All right, let's take a look at some of the pricing. You can see on the front end, it's going to be $37 to $47. They actually tell us here that it's $27 to $47. This is just the basics of the EZDeals front end. Upsell number one is going to be the hub, which is $27 to $47. But right below it, they tell us that the hub is going to be $67 to $77. Here is where you get a city directory where you can host all of your EZDeals pages. They do give you the option to host on your own server at this point. OTO number two is the revenue booster at $97. Oh, that price matches. That's good. This one's going to give us the ability to boost results fast, where you can add a featured, a business profile, pictures, videos, testimonials, and EZDeals pages. OTO number three actually has several different options. This is actually going to be your client finder. They give you a 7-day, $7 trial, or you can pay $47 a quarter or $197 for life. Anytime you have a lifetime option like this, it definitely makes me wonder how long this company is going to be in business. Because if this is a one-time payment fee, how are they going to maintain this in the long run? In this upsell, they also offer finding clients for your pages and your directory. We've got upsell number four, which is the master class at $97. This one's quite confusing. It says get up and running in 24 hours, how to get started with EZDeals, where to find clients for EZDeals. All of this should have been in the training already. It shouldn't be a master class at several $100s finally to get that information. OTO number five is EZDeals is an agency. For 5 sites, it's $297, and for 25, it's $497. Your total price for EZDeals is going to be anywhere from $602 to $982. Guys, I hope this EZDeals review helped you out. And don't forget, if you guys are looking for a way to sell your products online without having to contact businesses or people directly, be sure to check out our instant access link in the description below, where you will learn other ways to get your product in front of the right buyers. Don't forget to give me a like if this video helped you out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to see when the next one comes out. And leave me a comment. I'd love to chat with you. Thanks for watching.